In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete a snap from camera roll on Snapchat. So first of all, launch open Snapchat application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Snapchat has been opened. So if you want to delete a snap from camera roll on Snapchat, what you have to do is tap on the memories option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the memories interface. You'll be able to find various options like home, camera roll, stories, my eyes only. Since you want to delete the snap from camera roll, simply tap on this option camera roll that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access the camera roll over here. What you have to do is simply find the snap that you would like to delete. After you do that, what you have to do is simply tap on that snap. Now after you do that, that particular snap will be opened. Tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. You'll be able to find various options over here. At first, you'll be able to find this option for delete photo. Tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. You'll have to allow the Snapchat to delete the photo. Tap on the option allow. Now once you do that, if you go back, that photo will have been deleted. Or instead of doing that, there is also another way of deleting the snap. For that, what you have to do is simply long press on the snap that you would like to delete. After you do that, you can also select other snaps as well. After you do that, tap on the delete option that you can see at the bottom. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the allow option that you can see on the screen. Now those snaps will be deleted. So like this, you'll be able to delete the snaps. So that is how you delete a snap from camera roll on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.